Hey y'all, welcome back to Jill's Comfort Zone. Today we're going to make a delicious tuna wrap. Yes, and here are all the ingredients we are going to add to our wrap. And of course, I'm using my very own lettuce grown in my indoor garden using the hydroponics growing kit systems. All right, so here are the lettuce we're going to pick. You have some rosa lettuce and some romaine lettuce and some black seeded lettuce. So we're going to use tuna in a can. Put it in a bowl right there and break it up nicely. And cut you up some parsley to add some color to it. Then we got some red onions and parsley. We're going to add some salt and pepper. I love me some tuna fish, and I'm a plain girl. I don't like to add too much. So salt and pepper with some mayo is just fine for me. The less, the best is my cup of tea, okay? So yeah, so we're going to season it up just with some plain old salt and pepper, baby. That's how I like mine. How do you like yours? All right, and there we go. We got our tuna ready to go. Our lettuce. We got some boiled eggs, some tomato, and some cucumbers. Oh, yes. And there you have it. Simple, quick, and delish for brunch. And guys, listen, add whatever you like to yours. I just like to keep it simple. And nothing like your homegrown own lettuce. Yum, 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 bon appetit. Thank you so much for watching. As I always say, I love you. Stay blessed and peace out. Later. Until next time.
Jill's comfort zone in her home. Keep watching all her videos.